In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a group email using Gmail. Whether you need to send a message to your team, a group of friends, or an organization, Gmail makes it incredibly easy to do so with just a few clicks. So let's dive right in and walk you through the entire process. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. If you aren't already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in your inbox, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You should see a Compose button, which allows you to start a new email. Go ahead and click on that. A new message window will pop up. At the top of this window, you'll see fields labeled To, CC, and BCC. For the purpose of sending a group email, you're going to focus on the BCC field. This stands for blind carbon copy, which means that the recipients won't see each other's email addresses. This is a courteous practice to protect everyone's privacy. In the BCC field, you'll need to enter the email addresses of everyone you want to include in this group email. If you're like most people, you probably have a contacts list in your Gmail account. You can save time by typing letters into the BCC field, which will trigger Gmail's predictive feature, showing you potential matches from your contacts list that start with those letters. Simply click on the correct email address to add it. You can repeat this process for each recipient you're including. Once you've filled out the BCC field with all the necessary email addresses, it's time to move on to the subject field. Be concise yet descriptive, so recipients know the purpose of your email at a glance. Something like monthly team update or project meeting details usually works well. Now comes the body of your email. Click in the main area of the Compose window to start typing your message. Make sure